Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I'm going to do a simple DIY video on changing the wiper blades on the Lexus RX. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you notify new videos. I really appreciate that thumbs up, that helps the channel a lot. Thank you very much in advance. And so how to do this, right? First of all, there's the button that you press. In this case, you need to pull to your left. All right. I actually found out opening the hood helps me in my case. So I also don't want to scratch the hood. So I just open the hood up and I could get to the wiper, especially this one in the center, which is not the best place to be at, right? So one of the things I found is also wear some gloves so you don't get all dirty over your hands. And you just press this button over here, then you pull it out. Simple as that, you know. And okay, so one of the things I found out is, you know, if you hold this and pull it, and you're holding the camera, it's a little bit more difficult. But anyway, if you press the button, just pull it out like this. You notice that it's very simple. Pull it to your left, all right? Always pull it to your left. It'll come all the way out, and be careful so that thing doesn't hit the glass. All right, so now you got it out already, right? So there's an orientation that you need to get to. There's like a clip or something that you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. So you need to poke in that clip. And I like to buy the OEM wiper inserts, you know, and I know it's gonna fit and work well on my car. Of course, if you change to other ones, then you know you're on your own that. So I didn't make a video on that part of it. So it's not going to be on this end. You probably noticed that, right? So there's nothing to poke at, you know, to release the clip. So looking at this other side, all right, it's nothing on the bottom. But if you look carefully, all right, sorry, I'm moving around. There it is. You see that clip over there, right? So you need to poke at that clip, right? You push it up. Right now it's pointing down, so you push that up with this flathead screwdriver. It could be a pocket screwdriver, would probably work just as good, right? Can't be something too big, I guess. So it makes, you know, just need to poke it, right? So what you just need to do is this. You know, you're gonna put it in here, poke it up, then you can pull it out, pull it to your right. Poke it again.
Push it up. Yeah, push it up.
Notice I insert it, poke it. See, there you go. Pull it to the right, and the blade, you know, wiper blades come out, right? So inserting it is pretty easy too. You notice the bottom piece over here between the surface, and what you need to do is feed it through. You know, easier said. If you can't really make a mistake, but I found out holding it is the hard part. So you know, feed it through. There are some grooves that goes under, right? Just like that. Hope you can see it. Not please zoom in. All right. And once you do that, just feed it all the way through. Pull it to your left, right? All the way to the end. Make sure all the way to the end. Just like that. And look over here, right? Once you're done, make sure that thing clicks, right? Neck clicks, and your fan doesn't move, and that's how you replace the wiper blade. Just simple as that. Now that you need to put it back in the vehicle, notice the orientation, right? The button is over here. So what we need to do is just slide it in and it will click. Then we just replace this one already, right? So in my case, I don't want to scratch the hood. So I found out this is easier for me. Some people has mentioned that you actually could stop the wipers in the middle and such. I'm not able to find out how to do it on mine. And again, you know, it just, you don't do it that often anyway. So just do this over here. Feed it here. Slide it through. Notice that it's aligned. Push. Right, here it goes. Right. And that's how simple it is. You know, it's not the most easiest stuff to do, but once you know how to do it, you know, I like to clean the windshield after I changed the wipers. Of course, I want to test it out too. So I'm going to do the other one off camera. You know, it's just a similar task altogether. And after you do that, you can just try the wipers and see if it works, right? Of course, I'm going to throw some water at it. That'd be great. Mine's had the windshield heaters. You probably noticed that too. It's a nice feature. All right, hope this video helps you out and teaches you how to change the wiper blades. Please help me for thumbs up if you made this far and you liked the video and it helped you and save you some money and time. Also, please help me leave a comment if you have a suggestion. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.